Now we've created a whiteboard presentation, but let's say we want to go to our desktop and work on PowerPoint, on the internet, or even on a video. How do we do that? Well, first, we choose desktop. We choose our cursor so that our pen is now acting as a remote mouse. Let's say we want to bring up a PowerPoint presentation. And now with BoardShare, we can easily annotate, draw. We can change colors as we've done before. So that's a PowerPoint presentation. We could do the same things if it were an Excel file or a Word file, but let's go and show how we can do things on the internet. So now we're finished with this slide. So we're gonna just erase everything we did. Now we minimize, and now let's go on to the internet. We select the internet icon, and we brought up our BoardShare site. And just as we did with the PowerPoint, we can annotate and do other things. So for example, I'm going to draw, I'm going to select my pen, but let's say I wanted to annotate over here, right where my palette is. The palette is in the way. All I have to do is grab the palette, move it to wherever I want, and then I can annotate or draw. So we'll just do a little drawing here. But let's also say that I want my palette over here, but I don't want it vertical. All I have to do is press it, and now it's horizontal. Plus, I can compact it, or I can extend it. So just because I'm used to using it vertical over here, I'm going to put it back there. So let's just erase what we did up here, but also show that if we have our cursor selected, we can also navigate so if we wanted to go to the support side of the website, we could. We could go to our how-to video. We could go to our software downloads, and we could annotate on these pages, or we could continue to navigate throughout the website. So you have true functionality using BoardShare. But now I want to do something maybe even for a little fun. So I'm going to bring up a video. I brought up a soccer video, and let's say I wanted to explain things to the team. Let's say I was a coach, or I was just enjoying it with my family and friends. All we do is we select our pen, and I'm going to telestrate. I'm going to be like one of those announcers on the television. This fellow, maybe he'll pass it over here, and maybe he'll shoot it into the goal. Let's see what happens. I choose my cursor, I start the video, and what do you know? That's exactly what he did. It's one of the other things we can do with BoardShare. So we've shown how we can create a whiteboard presentation, and also how we can work on the internet, PowerPoint presentations, and even videos. These are the powerful tools available to you with BoardShare.